Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be comparing two popular mobile payment apps, Venmo and PayPal. I know that a lot of people are confused about which app to use, so I wanted to take some time to break down the pros and cons of each. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Asterisk, which app do you prefer to use, Venmo or PayPal? I'm curious to see what the general consensus is. Both Venmo and PayPal are great options for sending and receiving money. They're both easy to use and offer a variety of features. However, there are some key differences between the two apps. Pros of Venmo. Easy to use, Venmo is very user-friendly. You can set up an account in just a few minutes and start sending and receiving money right away. Social features, Venmo has a social element that PayPal doesn't. You can see what your friends and family are spending money on, and you can easily share transactions with them. Lower fees, Venmo generally has lower fees than PayPal. For example, there is no fee for sending or receiving money from friends and family. Cons of Venmo. Limited functionality, Venmo is not as versatile as PayPal. For example, you can't use Venmo to pay bills or make online purchases. Security concerns, there have been some security concerns with Venmo. In 2018, a number of users reported that their accounts had been hacked. Not as widely accepted, Venmo is not as widely accepted as PayPal. You can't use Venmo at as many businesses as you can use PayPal. Pros of PayPal. More versatile, PayPal is more versatile than Venmo. You can use PayPal to pay bills, make online purchases, and send money to anyone in the world. More secure, PayPal is generally considered to be more secure than Venmo. PayPal has a number of security features, such as two-factor authentication and fraud protection. More widely accepted, PayPal is more widely accepted than Venmo. You can use PayPal at millions of businesses around the world. Cons of PayPal. Higher fees, PayPal generally has higher fees than Venmo. For example, there is a fee for sending money to someone who doesn't have a PayPal account. Less social, PayPal doesn't have the same social element as Venmo. You can't see what your friends and family are spending money on, and you can't easily share transactions with them. More complicated, PayPal can be a bit more complicated to use than Venmo. There are more features and settings to learn about. Conclusion. So, which app is better? It really depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple and easy-to-use app for sending and receiving money to friends and family, then Venmo is a good option. If you're looking for a more versatile app that you can use for a variety of purposes, then PayPal is a better choice. I hope this video has helped you decide which app is right for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. You can include a poll in your video to ask viewers which app they prefer. You can provide a link to a website or blog post that compares Venmo and PayPal in more detail. You can create a video that demonstrates how to use Venmo and PayPal. I hope this helps.